I filmed this video 3 times. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, the first time I filmed this video, I accidentally deleted the footage myself. The second time I filmed this video, it was on the wrong focus setting, so it wasn't focused on my face like the majority of the time. So when I went to edit it, it was just trash.
Absolute trash.
So here we are again, and this is it. I know it's gonna be good this time. Apologies for advance. Apologies for advance. In advance, I meant in advance. For the glare in my glasses, I'm literally blind without them and I don't have any contacts right now. So a couple weeks ago,
actually on my birthday,
I received a DM from American Eagle, and to be honest, I really thought it was fake when I first read it. And then I realized like it was from their official account that I'd been tagging in my like hairy looks that I was doing because I was wearing a lot of American Eagle clothes for that. And they said, "Hi, we hope you're doing well. We want to send you a little Hi, we hope you're doing well. We want to send you a care package to try and make this time a little brighter. Please send it the below info to," and then I had like an email, and they said thanks so much, and I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, I'll do that right now, thanks, this is so cool. So I sent them my information, and then a couple of days ago I got an email from them telling me that my care package was in the queue to be shipped. Yesterday I received a box. It was very heavy. It was my care package for American Eagle, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got from them. I do want to say that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not making any money from this. I just thought it was super cool and like sweet of American Eagle to send this stuff to me. Like I didn't ask for anything and they just offered to send me something, which is really cool because I was having kind of like a tough time right after I got back from Florida, if you saw my last video. So it was really fun to have them offer to send me this. So thank you so much, American Eagle. If I scoot back, does the glare go away? No. First I'm gonna show you the clothes that they sent me, and then I'm gonna show you some of the other little fun stuff they sent me, and I'm gonna do a little like try on thingy with the clothes at the end of the video, so let's get it. One of the things they sent me, it's inside out because I tried it on last night. It's like a one shoulder two top thing. I tried it on and it's a little bit small, so I might give it away to somebody because they said like if there's anything in there that doesn't fit, like give it away. But it's really cute. I like might keep it and just kind of wear it around the house because it's comfortable to wear like under sweatshirt, like a zip up sweatshirt. In my try-on portion, I pair this with like a zip up hoodie and like sweatpants. So another thing they sent me is this t-shirt. It just says American Eagle and it has the coordinates of what I'm assuming is like their flagship store. It's really comfortable and it's like a good like heavy weight material that kind of reminds me of like comfort colors. So I'll definitely be wearing this nice little chill thing. I might crop it too. So this is one of 3 sweatshirts that I got. This is like a lightweight crew neck and it's pink and like peachy colored tie-dye, and it's got like little kind of like slits in the side. It is so soft. I like wasn't expecting it to be as soft as it is, and it's so comfortable. I love this sweatshirt so much. But I'll definitely get wear out of that like around the house and then like in the winter. Another thing they sent me is this gray hoodie that just says like American Eagle New York and then like the year they were founded. It's a hoodie. It's super soft on the inside. I might crop this one too because it's a little bit tight around my waist, but it's so comfortable. Definitely keeping it. It's like a good like heavy hoodie. And then the last clothing item they sent me is this is like by far my favorite thing in there because I like was not expecting this to be in there at all. It's a tie-dyed Rolling Stones hoodie. And on the sleeve, I love when sweatshirts like have little details like this. It says like the Rolling Stones on the sleeve. And this is really comfy. This is gonna be cute like to wear with like jeans or something in the fall. And just like wear with like shorts around the house and stuff. American Eagle also sent me a couple little goodies that like aren't clothes. One of the things they sent me is the world's smallest coloring book. And it's like, it's got like colored pencils and like 2 little mini small coloring books, which I just think is so funny. They also sent me a pack of face masks, which it comes with like 8, and there's 4 different kinds, so there's 2 of each, and there's a face mask, hand mask, lip mask, and eye masks. So I'm excited to try these out because I've been complaining to my sister and my family about how I want face masks, but I can't go out. So thank you, American Eagle, for that. So they also sent me 2 products from their Mood Chill Mind and Body collection, which is a CBD infused skincare line. They sent me the Refreshed Cool Coconut CBD Infused Foaming Face Wash. This is the bottle. I actually used this morning and I really liked it. My skin is usually pretty sensitive, so I wanted to test it out before I said anything about it, but I didn't really have any issues with it, and it was very like refreshing, and it smells so good. It's coconut scented, and I love coconut, so it's just a nice refreshing smelling and feeling face wash. So I definitely recommend trying this out. From that line, they also gave me the Soothed Fresh Eucalyptus CBD Infused Sugar Scrub. This is the container. This also smells really good. I haven't used it yet, but I like peeked it open to smell it. But I think I'm gonna use it next time I have to shave my legs. Yeah, I'm excited to try this because I've seen this stuff like in their stores when I've been before, but I never like bought it. Alright, and the last thing they sent me is super cute because if you know me, you know I like collect mugs like it's nobody's business, and
I don't even drink hot coffee.
I will put iced coffee in my mug. My mug that I have, this mug, has iced coffee in it. But they sent me this cute little like clear mug. It says, "Is it Friday yet?" Love her. Can't wait to use this. We'll definitely be posting pictures of this online. So that is everything that they sent me, and thank you again to American Eagle for being so sweet to send me that care package. It really brightened up my mood. Don't let me say that again. It really brightened up my mood being in quarantine because I'm getting kind of antsy, so getting that was really fun. So thank you so much, American Eagle, again for sending that to me. Definitely check out American Eagle. Again, this is not sponsored. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below your favorite thing you've ever got from American Eagle and something that you're doing to stay sane during quarantine. Subscribe, share me with your friends, do all the things. Hope you guys are doing great during this quarantine crazy time, and I will have a new video coming at you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye!
Grace said she likes pot plants inside, cold hands and tea-stained cups, brick houses and winter when it's not cold outside, cool socks and midnight drives and old phones, analog clocks. Grace is the type that I will just fall in love with, but I can't be falling in love. Stop, man, just fall in love. No way, I can't fall in love just yet, but I wanna fall in love, but don't wanna waste it all.